Welcome to Azure tutorial. My name is Arvind Kumar. So today we will discuss about Azure subscription and resource group. So friends, this is about myself. I have total 16 years of IT experience. Mostly I worked on Microsoft technology, and these are the technologies I have worked. This is my email ID. You can contact me on my email ID. So today's agenda is what is Azure subscription and resource group. So let's discuss what is Azure subscription. Azure subscription are a logical container that hold all your resources and that are linked to Microsoft Azure account. And resources can be virtual machine, function app, etc. So in simple words, Azure subscription is used for the billing purpose for the Azure resources used in that account. Okay. So don't worry, I will explain you with the help of diagram in couple of minutes. So these are the few examples of Azure subscription. You can call it as Microsoft Azure offer details. So these are the offers like Azure free trial subscription. We are already using that. So this is one offer. Like we have also seen pay as you go. Like we have converted our free trial subscription in pay as you go. Okay, in past videos. So one is like enterprise agreement subscription. So what is that? It's like you would be getting enterprise agreement subscription when you do the sign off with Microsoft, working with partner along with Microsoft, so that you can redeem the offers. Okay. So next is Visual Studio Professional subscribers. Okay, so Visual Studio Professional subscriber can receive a $50 monthly credit for Azure services. So let's see Microsoft Azure offer detail website. Okay, so let's open Google and type Microsoft Azure offer details. Okay, so there is a first link called Microsoft Azure offer detail. Just open that. You will land to the Microsoft Azure offer detail page. Okay, so these are the current offers that Microsoft is providing. Okay, so these are the offers and these are the retired offers. These are not available. So but these offers like let me show you, like free trial we are already using and we have converted to pay as you go. We have already seen that. So we have already discussed Microsoft enterprise agreement support. Okay, we have also discussed Visual Studio Professional subscriber. Okay, so let me show you this Microsoft Visual Studio Professional subscriber. Let me open that. So you will see that Microsoft Azure credit for Visual Studio Professional subscriber. Okay, so here it is like as you Visual Studio Professional, you have got the power of the cloud at your command. Azure integration tools, pre-built templates, manage services, make it easy to build and manage enterprise, mobile, web, IoT app faster using skills you already have and technology you already know. Okay, activate you $50 month credit today. Okay, so you will get $50 monthly credit for to if you activate that. So you can read this. These are like, for an example, no credit card is required, low dev test rate help you to stretch your credit further, access to Windows 10, what to buy with your monthly credit. So these are the options. You can read it one by one. So this is related to monthly Azure credit for Visual Studio Professional subscribers. So this is an example. Okay, so let's go back to the offer detail page. Okay, so let's come to the offer detail page. So these are the offer details which are currently available. So you just go one by one and read it. Okay, so we have discussed like popular plans like enterprise agreement support, pay as you go, free trial, Microsoft Visual Studio. Similar way you have MSDN platform subscriber and Visual Studio enterprise subscriber. So these are the offer details so Microsoft is providing. So let's go to the next topic. So till now what we have done, we have created Azure account with free trial subscription and we have received rupees 14,500 INR credit from Microsoft. Okay, so there is a small screenshot. If you click from the Microsoft Azure portal, you will see, if you click on that bell icon, you will see that I have received 14,500 rupees credit remaining. Okay, and subscription is free trial. Okay, so let me show you in the portal. So if you go to the portal, you will see that if you click on notification, you will see this is the credit I have received and my subscription is free trial subscription. So let's go to the next slide. So let's understand subscription via diagram. Okay, so till now we have created an Azure account with my email ID, okay, and we have received free trial subscription and received the credit of 14500 INR credit in Azure account, okay. And we have just discussed like resource group is nothing but it's a logical collection of the resources which you are going to create inside the Azure, okay. So for an example, in your company there are two departments, HR and IT, and you have created the resource group with the name HR and second resource group with the name of IT, okay. So inside the this HR resource group you have created three resources, for an example virtual machine, table or SQL servers, okay. And in IT resource group you have created two resources, virtual machine and SQL server, okay. So you will see here the resource group HR and resource group IT is created under the free trial subscription, okay. So whatever the resources you will create under HR and under IT resource group, the money will be deducted from the free trial subscription only, because both the resource group lie under free trial subscription, okay. So let's understand Azure subscription resource group resources by diagram, okay, using real time scenario, okay. This is the chart. So I will explain you, like at the top there are management group means like there is an Azure account, okay, who is managing, there is a group of people who are managing this, okay, that comes under management group, and they are managing these two subscription, okay. One is for HR department, second is for IT department. This is the subscription, okay. And this management group have applied the quota on HR department, that is quota limit is $2000, okay. Or for IT department quota limit is $3000. It means that HR department can create these resources up to $2000 only. So similarly in case of IT department, its quota limit is 3000. It means that these resources can be created up to $3000 only, okay, not more than this. So friends, in next video we will see how to create resource group. So inside the resource group we will create resources, okay. So hope you like this video. So friends, it's a request, please support us, please like our video and just subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. So let me show you how to search my channel in YouTube, okay. So just go to YouTube and in search bar just type JYEONS Geons Tech, okay. Just click on search, you will find this channel, okay. And this is my channel name, Geons Tech. I request you to just click on subscribe and press the bell icon as well.